making money online is possible. In fact, you could make millions of dollars annually online. It all depends on how hard you work and also how smart you go about it. That's why I'm making this video to share with you 5 awesome make money online business ideas you could look to delve into this year and beyond. You all are much welcome to my channel. My name is Afagza Sifuna. The very first idea you could look to delve into is dropshipping. What is dropshipping? Think about it this way. You are a middleman between a given trade. You are here, then you have big wholesalers, big suppliers this one end, okay? And then you have retail customers this other end. You essentially gonna be acting as a middleman between these two, the wholesalers and the retail customers, and in the process end up making some profit. Let me give you all a practical example. You know of a person or even a group of people who are looking for designer t-shirts, right? Each of these are looking for designer t-shirts at a cap price of $10. And also, you know of suppliers, whether we're talking about online suppliers, think about it, Amazon, think about it, whichever other platform out there, or even huge or bulk suppliers who supply t-shirts and you have information on these and are supplying them at $6. What do? You being at the center of this trade, you're gonna actually acquire these t-shirts at $6 from these suppliers and also sell them to these customers at $10. In the process, you're gonna end up making a profit of $4, right? A cool profit to make of a single tee. In case they're acquiring it in bulk, this could easily escalate to even hundreds of dollars of profit or even thousands of dollars of profits. Sounds good. That is what you need to do in the dropshipping business. And the good thing about this is that you don't have to actually handle the product. All you need to do is you bridging this arbitrage, you bridging this information asymmetry between different parties, and also you acting as a point of convenience. In the process, it is the supplier or the huge wholesaler who's gonna ensure this product is shipped to the end user, who's the customer, based on agreed upon price, right? That's why it's called drop shipping. You act as the middleman, and then this customer is gonna acquire the product at a specified time or a desired time, and the huge wholesaler is gonna ensure the product reaches this customer without you actually handling that product, which I think is a cool business. You could easily do this at the comfort of your office, at the comfort of your home, as long as you know how to bridge between different trades out there. That is the first idea you could look to venture into or to exploit this year and beyond. And then the second idea you could look to exploit this year and beyond is the idea of affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is essentially you assisting someone to sell their product, and in the process, you end up getting a commission or a portion of the selling price. That is what affiliate marketing is. It is you assisting someone sell their product, and in the process, you end up getting some margin. The good thing is that gone are the days when people used to walk down the streets to actually convince people verbally and carrying these different products to convince them to buy from them. Right now, with the high penetration of the internet globally, there's different means you can go about this, more so digitally. You could use affiliate links out there from different platforms. For example, affiliate links from for example, Amazon, from Shopify, just to mention a few. Even different banks out here have affiliate links, which you can assist them get lists for their different products, and in the process, you're gonna end up getting some money. Of course, the affiliate marketing commissions vary. Some have a fixed absolute number. For example, they're gonna tell you in case you assist them get, for example, one lead to their particular product or their particular website, you're gonna end up getting $1, $10, you name it. Others give you a percentage. For example, Amazon, Shopify, name it. They give you a percentage, but all in all, you end up making money at the comfort of wherever. This is the second online business idea you could look to exploit, the idea of affiliate marketing. And then the third online business idea you could look to exploit is the idea of you freelancing. Essentially, you selling your skills online to people who require them. Think about it. For example, you could be a graphic designer. For example, could be a music producer. For example, could be a talented academic writer and so forth. You can go out there on dedicated websites, for example, Upwork and so forth, and pitch your skills. Set up your profile. These kind of sites out here are going to assist you link with the people who require your services, who require your skills. For example, someone out there could be looking for someone to design for them a given card, and for example, $20. You have the skills. All you need is that link to this particular person. That's why some sites out here, for example, Upwork, are essentially for that. They link people offering services and people looking for services. In the end, you're going to end up making some money. But there's a caveat to this also. You need to be a very, very diligent and dedicated person for you to be able to rise through the ranks of these different sites. It is because these sites most of the times operate based on ratings and the feedback clients give. So in case you're looking to build a sustainable career or to make extra money in a sustainable way, you gotta also be sure that you're gonna be executing diligently. And then the fourth business idea you could look to exploit this year and beyond is the idea of starting a YouTube channel and running it as a business. Exactly what I'm doing on this platform. If you can comfortably communicate on camera, share ideas, and you have content which you want to share with the world, why not? You could start a YouTube channel and in the process turn that into a business. Because also through YouTube, there's multiple ways YouTubers out here are paid. For example, through Google AdSense. Essentially, those are payments coming from adverts you see when you are watching videos out there. Google AdSense is one of the possible sources of income for YouTubers. Secondly, promotions out there are possible sources of income for YouTubers. YouTubers selling merchandise, courses, and so forth. All these are possible sources of revenue for YouTubers. And you could start a YouTube channel remotely from wherever you are, at the comfort of your home. And then the fifth and the last idea I want to discuss with you is the idea of social media influencing. In case you have good presence in other social media platforms out there, even beyond YouTube, talk about Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, etc. In case you have a huge following on the social media platform, you active on there, you could look to explore the idea of social media influencing. Essentially, you assisting products out here in companies pitch their ideas, pitch their product, pitch their services to targeted audiences. By the way, in case you're delving into influencing, it will also be good to be quite ethical and only promote what you think you're gonna buy or even what you bought in the first place. I'm saying so because in the recent times we've also seen some influencers out there or even big personalities promoting scams. For example, the crypto scams. We've seen big celebrities out there promoting different cryptocurrencies out there which are actually scams. Only promote what is genuine and what you also are a customer of. That's the only way you're going to maintain trust between your followers and also have a good name in the business because you are doing legitimate business. Guys, that is the fifth idea you could look to venture into this year and beyond. What do you think about these 5 ideas? Is there an idea I've forgotten? If there's any, drop your comment down below with that idea. Share with us. Let's learn together. But I hope you've learned a thing or two from these ideas I've shared with you. Cheers and you all take care.